The tail cone is mated to the rear cabin section using a hydraulic alignment tool. As the pins click into place, workers with immense power, the hydraulic press forces the glowing metal into the precision die, forming the landing gear support.
Starting the rotation now. Keep the borescope focused on the turbine blades.
Rotation confirmed. Blades look good so far.
The swash plate assembly translates pilot inputs to the blades. As the mast is lowered, workers ensure the control rods are snapped securely into place.
Wheels.
Data umbilical connected. Confirm green light.
Confirmed. Ready for lift sequence.
Engaging ESS mechanical lock. Locked.
Defensive flare dispensers carry magnesium flares to decoy incoming missiles. The firing pins are tested for continuity, confirming the system is armed. As we apply pressure to the pitot static system, the airspeed indicator climbs smoothly, confirming the calibration and seal integrity.
Initiating dimming sequence. Compatibility remains within parameters as brightness reduces.
Pressure looks good, sitting right in the safe zone. Confirms the halon levels are nominal. Closing her up.
Robotic arms apply the final coat of chemical agent-resistant coating, or CARC paint. This paint resists chemical weapons and reduces the infrared signature. This intense heat treatment hardens the specialized CARC paint, ensuring maximum durability for the helicopter's fuselage.
Stand clear. Hitting the pin. It's in. Confirmed locked.
A time-lapse shot shows the four blades unlocking and rotating toward the tail boom, where they are secured in their transport cradles. The swiveling tail wheel is connected to the pilot's rudder pedals. The steering lock mechanism is then engaged, ensuring the helicopter can taxi straight.
The bolts are secured to specification.
Pressure check confirms full charge. The system is armed.
hydraulic fluid sample is analyzed by the particle counter, confirming level 0 purity, free of contaminants. The VAT system analyzes the data in real time, allowing technicians to make precise adjustments to the pitch link rods.
Radar altimeter indicates 5.0 feet, stable.
Physical tape confirms the measurement. Calibration successful.
The flight recorder is secured in its shock-absorbing mount. The flashing data sync light confirms communication with the main computer has begun.
Checking the rotor linkage now, looks good.
Engine intake clear, no FOD.
Confirmed, ready to proceed.
Backstick applied and stopping maneuver complete. Landing.
Controls checked.
Brakes applied, brake test complete.
Feet, 30 feet, 20 feet, 10 feet. Touchdown.
Okay, the flight data is in. Check the engine vibration graph. It's stabilized quickly. Confirmed. All parameters are well within safe limits. She's officially certified airworthy.
Outstanding work. Delivered on schedule.
For shipping across the ocean, the Black Hawk is wrapped in a heavy-duty white polymer shrink wrap. This protects it. How's the tension on your end? Almost there. One more click.
The convoy moves along the highway toward the coast, an impressive logistical feat escorted by security as they snake through the mountain pass.
Secure the forward chains.
Roger. Tensioning starboard strap now.
All green, bird is secured.
Prepare for touchdown. Clear on the port side. Engaging forward shackle. Secured.
How are the forward lashings holding up?
Holding steady. No tears in the wrap.
Flight controls checked. Hydraulics stable. Engines online. Requesting clearance for Mission 1.
He's losing pressure. Get him inside now.
Secured. Pilot, immediate departure, lights and sirens.
I've got you. Pulling you in.
Circling the debris now. Still searching. Wait, I'm getting a return on the radar. Looks like a lifeboat, 1 mile north.
Move it, move it! Last crate coming in. Lock it down.
Intake blades are clear.
Mechanical links confirmed secure.
Diagnostics show green across the board. Ready for closeout.
Watch the ropes. Keep it steady. Pull it this way. We got it. Next one coming down.
The package is secured and the team is ready for transfer upon arrival. confirming our ETA in 5 minutes.
At -40 degrees, the Black Hawk successfully passes its Arctic performance test, firing up on the first try.
How's the hub integrity at 3 Gs? Margins look good, well within limits.
Impact site confirmed here. The fragment was stopped cold, no penetration through the multi-layered composite.
Beginning the life extension process, the aircraft is completely disassembled before being rebuilt to pristine, like new condition.
The birds in Sector Gamma need replacement rotors by 0600.
Acknowledged. Diverting the shipment from Jebel Ali now.